Yo folks, Gavin at Audio Boffins. So, we are taking over from a customer that has been doing their own work and they want us to basically take their car to the next level. One of the things we often find is that door speaker adapters like this are fitted pretty poorly onto vehicles, and that can be for a variety of reasons, normally down to lazy people pointing at you. What we like to use is riv nuts. For those of you who haven't seen a riv nut, it's basically like a rivet, but with threads inside. And of course, the principle behind that is that on a car like a panel, kit car, etc., you can of course push this into the body, and then with a tool such as this here, there are better ones available and worse ones as well. You basically thread this onto the machine and then squeeze. And what it does, very much like a rivet, is squish the back of the press into the panel to create like a fixture. You give it a few pumps. Of course, when it stops moving, you then loosen up the centre and unwinder. For those of you who haven't seen this tool before, I'm going to give you a little demonstration. So, tool and riv nut. Riv nut goes on like this. Then of course you squeeze. Now what happens is basically it ripples up this here, a lump in this between the panel, and it basically pushes this front with a lump at the back squished against the panel, and then of course you end up with a nice clean solid fixing to mount your stuff to. Way better than a lot of techniques involving screws and glues and mastics and things. Cleaner, easier, tidier, more permanent, proper job, as we say at Audio Boffins. So thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to look for these guys on eBay and whatnot. They're not very expensive. So for those amateur installers, enthusiasts, people that even if you're doing the job once, buy one, because every man likes tools, and it'll last you for a long time. I've had this one for like, I don't know, 15 years. I've probably broken it more times than I care to admit, but you know, I've popped a little weld on it there because it fell apart. I snapped the spring. She's still going strong. I probably paid like 20 quid for it on eBay, and it's probably, you know, made my life easier on thousands of occasions. So yeah, get it, buy one, they're lovely. But for now, thanks for watching. See you later.